I am standing at the house of a Mr. Eso Ogallis in the community of De Hoek, which is a community close to the Swartberg Pass near Oudtshoorn in the Western Cape. We've had some snowfall here since a couple of days ago, very wet and cold conditions. And we just want to find out what the communities in this area is experiencing. Nou, Mr. Eso, vertel vir ons so bietjie, jy het gesê julle het uitdagings hierso met die koue en nat weer.
Ek sal vashou.
Ja, as het reën dan kan ons nie slaap. Dan moet ons die hele nag wakker sit. En so ons is het, dan moet ons al onze kombersies en klere iedere vir die son. Dat die son het kan warm droog maak weer.
En is daarom nou 'n sonnige dag, maar gister was nogal rof geweest.
Ja, maar nog 'n bietjie klammerig hier binne die kombers ding.
Mr. Ogallis is saying that it's difficult for them to sleep when it's so cold and wet. As you can see, they are sleeping in a shack. And in the mornings they have to take out all their wet clothes and let it hang in the sun. At least it's a sunny day today. So at least it will dry a bit, but it's still a bit clammy. Nou meneer Eso, behalwe nou vir hierdie uitdagings, ten minste is dit darem 'n mooi gesig om op te staan met so 'n view.
Ja. Ja, is mooi. Die berge lyk so mooi as ons so kyk na die berg toe.
Mr. Ogallis is saying that waking up is at least a very pretty sight, seeing these snow-capped mountains. And yeah, that is it from us here in De Hoek near the Swartberg Mountain Pass.